Hey, Big Edster here. Hey, I just got to bring you a short update. This is what I was going to build for the Peter Scale Hobby Japanese group build. It was brand new, and I did open it. I had it on the bench like 3 times. I'm just not feeling it, gentlemen and ladies and moms and dads. I don't know. I just the kit just don't do it for me. So I'm going to put this on the bench and substitute this instead. I'm going to give that a try. So that'll be my entry for the Peter Scale Hobby Japanese group build. Alright, that's my new entry. I don't know, I didn't even cut any parts off the sprue. I don't know, just maybe later, but not right now. I'm sure we've all felt that, but we're going to substitute it with this one right here. Alright guys, Big Eddie, peace!